Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Verify the router or switch has an open RJ45 port and your device's Ethernet jack is clean. Once done, use a Cat5e or Cat6 cable. Visually inspect both ends and the clip for damage so the link is reliable. Make sure to disable Wi-Fi on the device to force a wired connection for accurate testing. Connect the cable firmly until you hear or feel the click. This secures physical contact and begins link negotiation. You now confirm the connection and configure networking. First, check the link and activity LEDs on the router and your device. Steady or blinking lights mean negotiation succeeded. Next, open network settings and choose DHCP for automatic addressing unless your network requires a static IP. If so, enter address, mask, gateway, and DNS. Once done, verify the assigned IP, gateway reachability, and DNS resolution using built-in tools. This proves the device and network are communicating at the You finish by validating performance and securing the connection. Run a quick ping to the gateway, then a browser speed test to confirm throughput and latency. These tell you if the wired link meets expectations. Make sure your device firewall is active and that router firmware and NIC drivers are current for stability and security. If things fail, try simple troubleshooting. Reseat the cable, switch ports, and swap in a known good cable. If the link light still won't come on, consider testing with another device to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.